We think of our products as a conduit with which we prove to the world and show people that doing things the way we do can lead to greatness. To get really high quality products, you have to have people doing it and making decisions on the fly. People have to care.
We're very unique. The fact that we're doing full 3-axis machining of wood, there's not very many people that are able to process wood to the precision that we are.
We were talking about materials and form and how this was going to tie into the Grove aesthetic, but allow it to progress at the same time.
Thinking about what's next. We don't want to make just another thing that the world doesn't need. We felt like we could make an impact here. We specifically chose to make a Grovemade speaker.
Designing for audio, there's a really huge engineering component. Sound just likes certain shapes. What I could do with Grove is actually make that ideal shape. There's no translation from the simulation to the actual physical design, which is incredible. And that's like a level of design freedom that would be impossible any other way.
The speaker consists of 2 halves that are machined independently. When you flip them over and they come together, then you can create this really crazy 3-dimensional form.
After sketching, after we had a basic idea of the shape, I went into CAD and started making versions of it that we could then share back and forth.
We're an unusual company, right, that does design and machining. There's packages out there that I've tried that have CAD and CAM integrated. They weren't powerful enough.
I really wanted a solution that we could use all the way down the manufacturing line.
This is the first project where we tried Fusion 360. Joey recommended it to us. We jumped on it to have those processes be seamless.
They can give me their model and I'll program it for the machines and we can keep doing iterations of the same product.
It's really, really annoying to email zipped packages of like CAD files back and forth. The way that Fusion can do that automatically is extremely valuable. Once we had that in hand, the iterations went really quickly.
Not only can it exist if Joey and our team collaborates, it's really dependent on our CNC technology and more than that, just our people. That turns into these extraordinary products that couldn't exist otherwise.